All good things must come to an end. This trip to Hawaii is no exception. But before we leave, I need to do a little bit more location scouting.
Hey everybody, I am out and about. Look at this. I am out and about doing some location scouting for hopefully some future photography trips out here. We are on the extreme northwest shore of the island, and it's absolutely beautiful out here. This is the type of places I look for. So I found this little cove here. And sorry if the sound kind of gets winded out. I've got a little shield behind the microphone right now. But when I turn it, you may get some wind noise. What's drawn my attention here to this little cove are all these sharp, jagged lava rocks that are just lying around. Take a look at this. Now this is not my normal time of the day to be shooting, which is broad daylight, but I wanted to capture the blue in the water, so this is the time I've got to do it. I'm going to go ahead and set up my camera down here and see what kind of an image we can get of this area. Oh, here we go again. Woo! Grab the camera bag.
One of the first things I learned on my first trip to Hawaii 17 years ago was to never turn your back on the ocean. It has a tendency of trying to sneak up and grab you.
So I've got the camera down low here. Also helps the wind in the mic. So anyhow, it's going to help bring out the lava rocks as they rise up out of the water here, but also shooting into the really light blue colors of the waves with all that trapped air inside of them. Definitely time I wish I had some good filters for this camera. Something I've been putting off on buying, but I think we're getting close to time, because then I could take some very long exposures of the scene and really smooth out the water. Right now I can't do that, so my goal is of course to take sharp images of the water, of all the white caps of foam as it comes in. But if I only had some filters, it'd make this a much more interesting scene.
I also checked out the Pele Lookout. I was really hoping to hike on the razor sharp cliffs around it, but the trails are closed for safety. I did manage to get some great drone footage. During the summer months, this might make a great sunrise location. Today, it made a great pano. My final stop to do some location scouting is the Makapuku Lighthouse Trail. I'm out here with my buddy Chris, and we're trying to fly the drone over the ocean to see the whales. We can see them breaching in the distance, but depth perception at this altitude is a challenge, especially over the open ocean. Our best guess is we missed the whales by about a mile. So we took a couple of nice sunset images.
Are you enjoying yourself? Are you cold? Smidge.
so, another adventure comes to an end. Believe me, I am very grateful to be able to travel to beautiful destinations like Hawaii. I was very glad that I was able to give my mom a Hawaiian vacation that she deserved and to be able to capture images of this paradise on Earth. With travel no longer an option with the current world situation, looking through my images of the places that I have been and planning for my next big adventure keeps me positive. I am actively staying in shape so when the all clear is given, I can start sharing the world with all of you once again. I am heading back to Arizona, and fortunately, as a destination state, there is plenty to photograph here. I'll still be posting episodes from AZ and passing on my techniques to all of you, as well as going through some of my past adventures before I started this vlog.
Traveling through Switzerland, first class style.
Stay safe, everybody, and remember to click that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next episode.